Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So gold definitely had a big spike reversal, but we're still extremely early in the month, so this may end up turning into a bullish candle by the time the month is over. So we really can't base anything on that candle as of yet. I am still bullish, and I still have a target around the 2250 to 2350 area to finish off this trend, and I still think it is going to end up continuing back up. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it was a big spike reversal, but it happened right after we went up and took out all-time highs. It's not really too surprising at all that that happened. Like I said, there was all-time highs after it went beyond this line. So it's not really surprising at all that that did happen. And like I said, I'm still looking at this as a bullish pattern, and I am definitely still looking for longs, especially on shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up, the last series of higher highs, higher lows. We already have a 61% bounce, but that doesn't really mean that it's going up yet. And I wouldn't be surprised if it did make more of a traditional ABC correction before it went up, ended up looking something like that. But I do believe at some point it is going to end up continuing the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, ever since it made this big spike reversal, it just came back, and now it's been in this little consolidation area for a long time now. It does kind of look like it already made 3 waves down to the Fibonacci level, but in order for me to believe that that really was the end of a correction, I would have to see a break of structure. If I do see a break of structure to the upside, I would actually take that as a long, because I am definitely very bullish on the longer time frames, and I do think that it is eventually going to continue up. Now, we do have non-farm payroll coming out today, and that is a big event for the dollar. It's definitely going to affect gold. And if it does go up and maybe reject structure, be careful, because it does look like it could go down before it goes up. But I am suspecting that the dollar could go down today, and if the dollar goes down, it's probably going to help drive this up. And according to all the higher time frames, we are in an uptrend, so that's why I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is pretty much just a big sideways pattern, big consolidation. Really not much of a count you can get within there. Now this is definitely impulsive down, corrective up, and impulsive down, which, like I said, could be an ABC. We could already have the end of an ABC, and today's news could cause it to go up, break structure, which to me would help confirm that it is an ABC. And like I said, if that happens, I would definitely take it as a long, because I am very bullish on all the higher time frames, and I do think that it is more likely to go up. But like I said, I mean, it would actually look a lot more normal on like the 4 hour and daily time frame if it actually went down before it went up. But either way, whether it continues the uptrend today or whether it goes down and continues the uptrend maybe next week or something, either way, I do think that it will end up continuing back up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.